Today I'll show you how to change or remove your Discord server aka nickname. Let's just say you entered a server and then you just randomly got a nickname that you don't really like, and I'm going to teach you how to change it today. So first off, you want to go to your Discord, and then when you're on your Discord homepage, you want to head over to profile on the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you want to tap on profiles. When you're on profiles, you just see user profile and server profiles on the top. You want to tap server profiles. Once you're here, you can tap on the first button on the top that displays all the servers that you're in. Once you have selected your server, you can see underneath it shows up your server nickname, and underneath it you can see a little box that showcases your name, and you can tap on it and then type on the name that you want to change to. Once you finish, you can head over to the top and hit save. You can do it to other servers as well. You just need to click on the first button right here. Now you can see my nickname in the YouTube Business Academy server has been changed. You can do it to other servers. You just need to basically tap on the server and then basically doing the same thing that I did just now. You can head over to the top and hit save. Now we're going to verify if the nickname has been changed in the server. You can head over to the server. Maybe on here you can type hello, and you can see my nickname has been changed. It is literally how easy that is. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.